The event at the Beacon in the centre of Bristol today is a collaboration between the University of Bristol and the University of the West of England to celebrate data science and AI. Good morning everyone, welcome. We're bringing together a group of researchers and practitioners to talk about how AI can be used to help the most vulnerable in our society.
A really important message that I think everyone can understand is that data science is for everyone, not just for academics or not just for people who are researchers. Everyone uses data everywhere.
If we want AI and data science to work for us, then it needs to be developed with our data. So we need to have a serious conversation about how we want that to happen.
Hello everybody. I'm here now to introduce our panel discussion. Here we are with a technology, AI. It's got the potential for fundamental change, and the consequences of this change could be unforeseen. Ladies and gentlemen, over to you.
We can create all sorts of machines and do all sorts of things, but we need to be really clear about how they're being created.
Today's been very interesting. I think it really has illuminated how much there is to think about and how diverse people's opinions are about those things.
AI has been used to detect skin cancer, but it's been shown that with darker skin tones, it's not as effective. Now is the time to bring people in to specialize research in that. I actually came to the Jean Golding event because I wanted to hear other people's views about data. One of the things I'm very mindful of in my work is that if you're only listening to yourself, then echo chamber.
I'm going to talk about how we started some projects that we call citizen-led science in Mexico. And instead of experts calling the shots, is the mothers of the disappeared, the victims of kidnapping, the ones designing with us what's going to happen.
This was great, I have to say. I mean, I just loved the whole interaction, the way it was designed. I could learn about others. I also like that it was not just with academics. It was great because I was approached with lots of questions from the public that I really enjoyed.
One of the things about these events is you've got your own ideas and you meet other people's ideas and you take the best away and amalgamate it into your work, and you can only do that through the kind of conversations you get at an event like this.
Because sometimes you don't know if what you're saying is getting through, and if you get high quality questions coming back that make you think, then you know you've hit a nerve.
It's absolutely perfect timing to be talking about inclusivity of data and AI. Technology is leading to the transformation of many parts of our society and economy, and people need to understand what that means and to be involved in it in a way that works for them as well as for the technologists.
I'm David Weston. I'm a senior lecturer in health technology at the University of the West of England. I do research on various uses of AI and data science for health applications.
I think it's been really great to see collaboration between our two universities in Bristol, but also with regional decision makers, national decision makers, the tech firms, industry, and society as well.
I'm really excited about the potential for collaboration with the Jean Golding Institute. I think there's some great work being done on AI there that we as a provider of some of the data center and simulation services that could exploit the great work that's being done there. There could be a very nice collaboration.
We've got a real opportunity here in Bristol. We've got an amazing collection of minds, an amazing connection of institutions. And at the heart of it, if you want to say what I really want, I'd love there to be, coming out of this kind of event, a Bristol-based company that did some very cool stuff.
I'm part of this, but I'm the social science aspect of this. In fact, I'm possibly the only social scientist at the Jean Golding Institute, and I'm not a data scientist, so I'm sort of bringing a very different perspective.
I think people have enjoyed the opportunity to ask questions themselves of the panellists directly. People have been pleased to be able to learn about some of the research that's happening within the university and the city. And it's been great for us as a platform to raise the visibility of some of the AI and data science research that's going on in academic settings in the city.